guys, I'm Cassie from Zappos, and today we are checking out Julliia from Ted Baker. This gorgeous rolling travel bag is made out of polyester, nice smooth material here. It features this wonderful, tranquil, and romantic printed exterior. It goes all the way around. You got beautiful florals for a nice feminine flair. It does have a great contrast with that black trim. It features dual carrying handles up top that are nice and rolled, so they'll feel great when you hold them. Also comes with a snap closure to keep them secure. In the back, you have an extendable 4-stage pull handle in rose gold. What? There is also clear wheels in the back that come with a stopper at the base. The front of the bag features that logo right there at the bottom, along with a front zipper pocket for additional storage or for those items you'd like to reach quickly. Now, the main compartment of the bag features that rose gold hardware zipper. You got 2 of them to help you open that bag. The inside is lined with cotton, nice rich black there. It also has plenty of spacious room and comes with 2 interior slip pockets on the front panel and 1 back wall zip pocket against the back. Well, what are you waiting for? It's time to pack up and go take that trip you always wanted to go on, especially in this gorgeous bag. Check it out today from Ted Baker.